Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have a lot to go over. I'm going to share with you a couple of last minute Walgreens deals that I did that turned out to be completely free plus a moneymaker. Also, I'm going to share with you a lot of clearance finds, and we're going to go over the deals of the week for next week, which will start tomorrow, July the 25th, and run through July the 31st, which is next Saturday. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here's a couple of quick little deals that you can do. Today is the last day for these deals, unfortunately, but just in case you're running by Walgreens, I wanted to go ahead and tell you all about it because it's completely free oral care. So we have the Colgate on promotion this week for when you buy 2 products, you will get a $5 register reward. So I picked up the Colgate Optic White toothpaste and the Colgate Optic White 360 toothbrush. Like I said, these are $3 each. Picked up both of these, used a 50-cent off one for the toothpaste and a 50-cent off one for the toothbrush. We have both of those are digital coupons. So that'll leave you paying $5 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And you will get back this $5 register reward from Colgate. So that makes it completely free. I did both of these in the same transaction. Now this second one, we kind of have a glitch that's been going on for the past couple of weeks on Oral-B and Crest products. Now, I haven't really been paying attention really closely as to what all products are working with this glitch, but here's what I picked up and it worked out perfectly fine for me. Now, we do have a lot of high value digital coupons. I think I had a 6 off 3, a 5 off 3, a 4 off 3. We've got some 3 off 2s, 2 off 1. We've got all kinds of digital coupons. I didn't unclip any of mine. I just kind of let the ones attached, however they were going to work. So you can actually unclip the lower value coupons if you want to, but a lot of these don't expire until September, I believe. Anyways, I'll pop up a picture on the screen here. So like I said, this is kind of glitching and you're getting back 2 register rewards. One of the promotions is when you buy 3, you'll get back a $5 register reward, and the other one is when you spend 10, I believe. I'm going to pop up a picture of the sticker for the promotion on the screen here so you guys can see. It does end today, but I think it's when you spend 10, you'll get back a $5 register reward. So I picked up 2 of the Oral-B Glide Floss Picks 75 count. These were $4 each, on sale for $4 each. And then I picked up the Oral-B Vivid toothbrush. Now, I'm pretty sure that you can pick up 3 of these toothbrushes and it'll work out the same, or 3 of the floss picks. The toothbrush is a little bit cheaper at $3, so that'd turn out to be a little bit better deal, especially if you still have those high value coupons. But either way, so that's going to put you at $11, which gets you over the $10 mark. Then a 4 off 3 digital coupon did attach to these items. Like I said, I had several on my account. I didn't unclip any of them. The $4 one just attached, and I was fine with that. So that left me paying $7 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash because you're getting back register rewards. So I paid the $7 out of pocket. I did receive a $5 manufacturer register reward and a $5 store register reward. Now this is a little bit new to me, so I am going to have to kind of do some research and figure out how I can use this on my deals for next week. So I know that there's it's a little bit tricky and we do have to pay attention to what the coupon says, but it does say right there, if it'll focus, store coupon, and it expires 8/03. Okay, so that left my final price completely free plus a $3 moneymaker. So if you are near Walgreens and you want to swing by today, do these quick little deals. I ran right in, literally took me like 10 minutes maybe, and I was in and out. So really great deals, completely free, plus a $3 moneymaker. Alright guys, so here's another transaction that I did. Now you can go into the store and do the Colgate and the Crest deal, and then do this quick little deal as well and just roll those register rewards. I'm going to be using a $4 register reward and a $5 register reward that I received from doing a couple of quick deals last week. So if you want to go in and do the Colgate and the Crest deal, this will make your subtotal basically nothing. So we're going to go through this really quickly here. I picked up the Dove is on a promotion this week for when you buy two, you'll get back $2 in $2 in Walgreens cash. So this promotion is a little bit better deal than what we have going on next week. Next week you'll only get $1 in Walgreens cash for every two that you purchase, I do believe, but we'll go over those deals in just a second. Because we're going to do kind of a sneak peek, and I'm going to show you what the best deals are for next week and what you may want to go ahead and do now. This is one of them. So if you are near Walgreens, go ahead and swing in. This is a really quick deal. We do have a spend 20 digital booster, and you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Since I'm already getting back Walgreens cash on this deal, we're going to go ahead and just bundle it together and use that spend booster as well. So I picked up one of these are also buy one, get one 50% off this week. So I picked up one of the regular Dove at let me see here, $7.99 for the regular Dove, and then the second one was $3.99. Then we have a Dove Men's for $7.49, and then the second one was $3.74. That put my subtotal at $23.22, so I did meet that spend total of $20. And the coupons that I used, where did that go? Was two of the buy one get one free coupons from the 7/18 save insert, and these took off a total of $6.49. So I used two of these, and then like I said, I used a $4 register reward from a previous deal that I did the week before, and a $5 register reward, and I believe that was from the Crest deal. So subtotal worked out to be $1.23 plus tax. That works out to be completely free, plus, let me see here, $7.77 moneymaker. Great deal, because I did receive the $5 in Walgreens cash back for that spend digital booster, and then I received $2 in Walgreens cash because I purchased two here, and then another $2 in Walgreens cash for purchasing these two over here. So just in case you all want to write this down or take a picture of my receipt, however you want to do it, here is the receipt. There are right here at the top are the regular Dove body wash, and then down here are the two men's Dove body washes. There's those two buy one get one free coupons that take off $6.49 each, and then the manufacturer coupon, that's a register reward, and a $5 register reward right there. Subtotal $1.23. So if you go in and you do the Colgate and the Crest deal, you'll have two $5 register rewards that you can use. That'll put your subtotal at just 23 cents. So that'll be a really great deal. Like I said, I know this is the last minute, last day that you guys can do these deals, but they are super easy and simple. So if you are near a Walgreens today, you may want to swing by there because these are really great deals. Alright guys, so really quickly I'm going to go over, show you guys what items that I picked up on clearance, and then after this little video clip I'm going to show you guys some pictures of items that were on clearance at my store. That way you all can be on the lookout for these too. So first up we have the Mucinex free from, this is a 2-pack, it's free from artificial flavors, colors, dyes, and alcohol and sugar. This was normally about $20, let me see here, $18.99, marked all the way down to $4.79, so that's about $2 and some change per bottle, so I thought that was a really good find. Next up, we have the Walgreens dye-free sleep aid. This is 100 capsules. So these were $11.99, marked all the way down to just 59 cents. So a really great deal there. Then, after you've had a good night's sleep, you're going to need some caffeine to wake yourself up. So we have the Stay Awake Walgreens brand caffeine pills. These were $7.49, marked all the way down to just 75 cents. Next up, we have the aspirin, Walgreens brand as well. Let me see here. This receipt is kind of hard to read. These were $6.99 normally, marked all the way down to just 70 cents, and these are 108 count. And there was also some other Walgreens brand aspirin, but this one was cheaper and it had more count. So great deal there. Next up, we have the big 32 fluid ounce things of hand sanitizer. There was several different brands. This is Smart Care hand sanitizer and Clean and Natural. These were both 75 cents. This one was marked down from $7.24, and then the other one I'm sure is right behind it. This one was $7.99. So 75 cents each there. Make sure that you kind of crack these open and smell them though first, because some of them that they had there really smelled like alcohol, really bad. So make sure that you do crack those open so that you don't end up with a terrible headache. Next up, we have the Vicks Vapo Cream. This was normally $10.99, marked all the way down to $2.79. And then we have these, they had all kinds of hand soaps. This is 16.9 fluid ounces. This is French lavender. They did have different scents. These were $4. Let me see. These were normally, $4.99. And they were marked down at 75 cents. Now, these did still ring up at full price at the register, but they did, do the price match thing where they adjusted it down to 75 cents. So I picked up 2 of those. So there's some really good clearance items going on at Walgreens: hand sanitizer, soaps, and over-the-counter medicine. So definitely check it out. Now I'm going to show you guys some pictures of some other items that I found. Alright guys, so we're just going to scroll through these pictures here, just some items that you may want to be on the lookout for. We've got some lotions that are being clearanced out here, some Gold Bond marked down from $12 all the way to $5.99. Then we're going to get into some over-the-counter medicine. So here's aspirin for 50 cents. A lot of these are Walgreens brand over-the-counter medicines, but some of them are name brand and some are really good markdowns. So we've got some Mucinex, a lot of cold and flu medicine, so you may want to stock up before flu season hits. Then we've got some more cold and flu medicine at $2.99. And there's a combo pack for $6.29 all the way down from $18, it looks like. There are some more for $3.39 all the way down from $14. And these are Walgreens brands here, but we're going to get into, there's some Mucinex marked down from $19 all the way to $5.79. Delsum at $3.79. Then we have one more Walgreens brand at $2.29. And then we're going to get into some chapsticks. Now, these aren't really huge markdowns, but it may be some items that you want to, keep an eye out on. And then we are about to get into the hand soaps and hand sanitizer. Now, there are a ton to choose from. Larger bottles, like I showed you in my little video clip there, and they do have smaller bottles as well. Some of these are marked down pretty significantly. I would say over 75% because they're just 75 cents. Some of these soaps and hand sanitizers started out at like $9. Here's kind of a random children's pain and fever reducer medicine. That was just 89 cents, so that was a really good find. And now we have some more hand sanitizer and hand soaps at just 75 cents. So right now might be a really good time to go ahead and stock up. But like I told you guys, make sure you kind of crack the cap and smell of it. Make sure that it doesn't smell, have that really strong alcohol smell to it. So we're still moving through. We've got some travel kit with a mask and hand sanitizer and all that good stuff. More soaps. The soap and hand sanitizers that are on clearance are kind of ridiculous, but you have a lot to choose from. And we're almost through here. Now we have some baby wipes also that I found on clearance that were just $1.49. And now I'm going to go through the good deals that you need to look out for next week at Walgreens. Alright guys, so I went through the Walgreens ad and just kind of picked out a few that stood out to me that I wanted to point out to you guys. I am going to try to do a more in-depth video with some coupon matchups after we receive our new digital coupons on Sunday. And maybe even do some scenarios with that spin booster. So first up we have the 12-pack deals. We have Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and Dr. Pepper products. 12 packs are on sale, 3 for $11.99. And then we have the Sprite, 7-Up, Canada Dry, A&W, and Sunkist 12 packs are going to be 3 for $10.99. Alright, next up we have Scott and Kleenex products. Those are normally $5, but we're going to get a $1.25 off one store coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3.75. Next up we will have Suavitel and Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. They will be buy one, get one free. Then we have Almay and Revlon products. They'll be buy one, get one 50% off. We do have some really good digital coupons, and you'll get a $4 register reward when you spend $12 or more. Alright, next up we have some free Colgate toothpaste. So these will be on sale for $4. We're going to receive a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and we're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash when you purchase 2. So you'll pay $4 out of pocket, and you're going to get back that $4 in Walgreens cash. That will make it completely free. And then we also kind of have the same promotion on the Crest and Oral-B products, so you'll get $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and select ones will be on sale for just $3. Like I said, we do have a lot of high-value coupons, so it'll be interesting to see if any of those high-value coupons will also work on these products that will be on the promotion. And also under that same promotion is the Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. They're going to be on sale 2 for $8. I'm pretty sure we have some insert coupons, and we may receive some digital coupons as well. But I am going to wait and see, and I'll update you guys in the next Walgreens video about all of the good coupon matchups and items that you need to pick up for next week. Alright, next up we have the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. They're going to be buy one, get one free. And then we also have the Jif peanut butter and the Smucker's strawberry spread. That's going to be on sale 2 for $4. And then we also have the Walgreens brand of batteries, AA or AAA 8 to 24 packs. They're going to be buy one, get one free. Alright guys, so here's that Dove deal that I was telling y'all about. Like I said, today is a little bit better deal, so if you want to pick up some Dove body wash, I would go ahead and swing by Walgreens today, which is Saturday, just in case anybody's watching this later. But next week, they're going to be on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off, and you'll receive $1 in Walgreens cash when you purchase 2. Alright, next up we have Listerine mouthwash. It's going to be on a promotion for when you spend $10, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And then next up, we have a Sunday only deal. So select Bic pens and pencils will be on sale 2 for $3. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that does expire on Sunday, so that is why it's a Sunday only deal. But if you run into Walgreens on Sunday, pick up 2 of these Bic pens or pencils, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, that'll make it completely free. And here's a quick look at the digital spin booster that I received. So it's spin 25 and you'll earn $3 in Walgreens cash. Now it's not the best spin booster that I've had. Like I said, we had a better one for this past week. But you guys let me know which booster you received down in the comments below. I'm curious as to what kind of scenarios I can come up with. Did you receive the same one or did you get something different? Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.